Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex paper trading platforms. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Paper trading with a Forex broker refers to a simulated trading environment where individuals can practice and test their trading strategies without risking real money. In this context, the term paper signifies the use of virtual or simulated funds rather than actual currency. Traders can engage in paper trading to gain experience, refine their skills, and evaluate the effectiveness of their trading strategies in a risk-free setting. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex paper trading platforms can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex paper trading platforms. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Plus500. Plus500 is a popular online trading broker which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions and offers sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, Indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, to ensure that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers a variety of popular trading strategies and guides to help you with any additional education that you might be looking for. At number 4 is eToro. Since 2007, eToro has evolved into one of the most trusted and popular NASDAQ 100 and stockbrokers. If you are new to trading, eToro offers an incredible trading academy for beginners. However, experienced traders can also use the academy to refine their skills. The educational content provided by eToro is free to use and covers many different topics, including crypto trading, investing, trading, and more. This broker is trusted by more than 25 million people worldwide and is also available to United States citizens. If you would like to diversify your investment portfolio, eToro offers more than 2,700 stocks with zero commission trading guaranteed, as well as a variety of cryptocurrencies, over 300 ETFs, indices, and Forex pairs. The eToro trading platform simplifies data exchange between traders and speeds up sharing experiences, and features advanced and revolutionary currency trading software. This enables Forex beginners to easily enter the world of Forex trading via a user-friendly interface and a highly customizable platform. eToro's trading software gives a visual representation of transactions, which helps intuitive trading while it brings together social and promotional features such as a traders community chat and trading contests. Their application is available for Android and iOS devices. The eToro retail account is a flexible all-in-one account that is suitable for copy traders, social traders, and beginners. This account can be used to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, Forex pairs, indices, and ETFs. The eToro retail account also allows users to stake cryptocurrencies, and it can be used for copy trading. Retail accounts have limited leverage, but retail clients are covered by the Investor Compensation Fund and the Financial Ombudsman Service. They also receive negative balance protection and margin closeout restrictions. The eToro Professional account offers all the same features as the retail account, however offers much higher leverage, and only customers registered under eToro UK and eToro EU can apply to be a professional client. eToro offers an exceptional trading academy with guides, videos, and articles covering all topics related to trading and investments. The educational resources provided are suitable for beginners, intermediate traders, and experts. There are many detailed how-to guides, and the Trading Academy dashboard makes it easy to find more information about any questions you might have. eToro also provides updated news and analysis, as well as in-depth market research PDFs. eToro is an all-in-one broker that is regulated by top-tier institutions and offers competitive trading conditions. We recommend eToro for all types of traders, especially if you are interested in social trading, copy trading, stock trading, or crypto trading. This broker is one of the few, if not the only, Forex broker that currently allows cryptocurrencies to be staked on its platform, and is also a great option for traders who are eager to refine their trading knowledge and improve their skills, because the eToro Academy offers an abundance of educational resources for all levels of experience. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is an all-in-one, multi-purpose American Forex and stock broker that was founded in 1975, specializing in a wide range of stocks, Forex pairs, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, options, and futures. Platforms are available on the classic web platform, the next-generation web platform, the TD Ameritrade mobile application, or the Think or Swim platforms, which are all supported on desktop, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. With TD Ameritrade, you can open standard trading accounts, retirement accounts, education accounts, business accounts, and margin trading accounts. No minimum deposit is required to open any of these standard accounts, and they provide individual trusts and pension plans, and business partnership or sole proprietorship plans. TD Ameritrade provides educational resources on how to learn and manage your personal finances, how to invest, as well as how to plan and save for your retirement. There are plenty of videos and articles that you can use to learn the basics of investing, and they offer goal-based trading courses that will give you a foundational understanding of fundamental and technical analysis, trading different instruments, and setting up your retirement portfolio. They also provide updated market news with dozens of how-to guides, and you will have access to third-party research, market data, and financial news. At number 2 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006. and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex paper trading platforms, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint, and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex paper trading platforms on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.